Today we're talking onions, and honestly, I had no idea there were this many personalities in the onion family. We got red, white, yellow, sweet, green, and even shallots. And if you ever stood in the grocery store wondering what kind of onion to get, you're not alone. So today we're breaking down what each onion tastes like, when to use them, and why they actually do make a difference in cooking. First up, the red onion. Oh, they're the pretty ones. They got a slightly sweeter flavor and are amazing raw. Think salads, burgers, sandwiches, pasta salad, pickled onions, and honestly, they just make food look fancier. Okay, before we move on, if you enjoy cozy cooking, kitchen tips, budget meals, make sure to like, subscribe, and come hang out with me. Alright friend, let's move on to this white onion. Okay, white onions. These have a sharper, cleaner flavor than yellow onions. They're really good in Mexican food, tacos, salsa, fajitas, and fresh toppings. They also cook down nicely, but they got a little bit more bite to them. And watch out, they can make you cry. Let me know in the comments, are you an onion lover? Do you have a favorite one you like to cook with? Here we have the yellow onion. Now these are probably the most common cooking onions and the workhorse of the kitchen. They get sweeter as they cook and are perfect for soups, casseroles, chili, pot roast, spaghetti sauce, pretty much all of your cozy comfort foods. If a recipe just says onion, it usually means yellow onion. And here's our sweet onions. Sweet onions are mild and, well, sweet. These are so good caramelized, and they're perfect for onion rings, grilling, burgers, and recipes where you really want the onion flavor without a harsh bite. These are the onions for people who say they don't like onions. Green onions are also called scallions, and they are more fresh and light. These are great on baked potatoes, soups, dips, fried rice, ramen, and honestly anything you want to make feel fresh and colorful. They're basically the confetti of the cooking world. And finally, shallots. These are like onions trying to be fancy. They've got a softer, more delicate flavor that's almost a mix between a garlic and an onion. They're amazing in sauces, dressings, pasta dishes, and recipes where you want flavor without overpowering everything. And yes, they usually cost more for no reason. So there you have it, friend, the onion family. Once you start paying attention to which onion works best in different recipes, cooking gets a whole lot easier. And now, hopefully nobody has to panic in the produce section. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And let me know in the comments, do you have a favorite recipe with onions? If you enjoy real-life cooking, cozy kitchen videos, comfort food, and simple cooking tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. Alright y'all, take care and happy cooking.